In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create classroom posters with Canva. Whether you're setting up a new classroom or refreshing your walls, Canva makes polished posters quick and easy. All you need is a Canva account and your browser. We'll go from finding a ready-made design to customizing it so it fits your students, your subject, and your space. Start on the Canva homepage and click on Templates in the top menu. This opens a library of professionally designed layouts, which saves you time and gives you a strong visual starting point. In the search bar, type classroom posters. You'll see options for rules and expectations, motivational quotes, subject-specific visuals, alphabets, and more. This search narrows everything to education-friendly designs so you can focus on content and style instead of layout from scratch. Take a moment to browse through the templates. As you look, consider readability from a distance, the age group you teach, and the orientation you need, like portrait for narrow wall spaces or landscape for bulletin boards. Check the size noted on the template, such as letter or A4, so it matches how you plan to print. If you want a set, look for designs that share a consistent style, so multiple posters feel cohesive on your wall. When you find a design you like, click Customize this template. Canva opens it in the editor, where everything is drag and drop. This is where you make the poster yours. Click any text to edit it. Replace placeholders with your classroom rules, vocabulary, or reminders. Adjust font size so the main message can be read from across the room. Choose clear, high-contrast colors for accessibility, and stick to 2 or 3 fonts to keep things tidy. If you have school colors, apply them with the color picker. For visuals, open elements to add icons, shapes, and lines, or use photos for images. If you have your own graphics or a school logo, upload them and drop them into place. Use the position tools to align items neatly and group elements you want to move together. Watch the margins so nothing important gets too close to the edge, and keep enough white space to avoid a cluttered look. If you need multiple versions, duplicate the page and swap out text or colors to build a matching set quickly. Give everything a final read for spelling and clarity, then zoom out to see how it feels as a whole. Once you're happy, your poster is ready to print or share. Choose sturdy paper for durability and consider laminating for long-term use. That's it. Your classroom poster is complete and ready to brighten your space.